Welcome. In this video I will show you how to toggle touchpad on LENOVO V15. I'm gonna show you how to do that using keyboard, because if you have access to your touchpad you'll be able to do the same thing but much easier. So I'm gonna go the hard way, just in case you don't have an external mouse connected to your device and you don't have access to your touchpad. In order to re-enable it, you have to press Windows button, then press tab once and use arrow keys to navigate to settings option. Press enter to open settings, then press tab 2 more times. Scroll down to Bluetooth and devices, once again using navigation keys. Press enter to open Bluetooth and devices section, then press tab button 5 more times, and then 5. Okay, I suppose basically until devices option is selected. Then scroll down once again with your arrow keys to the touchpad option. Press enter, and now to toggle it on or off you have to press the space bar. So if it's disabled, press the space bar to turn it on, and then you can freely use it on your computer. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.